Alright, YouTube, this might be the nicest day of the week. And it's only about 35 to 40 degrees out here. But when you're doing this type of work outside, no garage, no carport, rain, sleet, snow, damn near anything can prolong this shit, man, or set you back. And they called for another 2 inches again on Sunday. So I'm trying to get out here and shoot more videos for y'all. I think only thing I'm gonna do right now is a 1 year update. Cause it's been a year since I done started working on this car. And since I launched my YouTube page. Shout out to everybody who hit that subscribe button, man. For real talk. It's coming from a guy who ain't got no Instagram, ain't had no Facebook. Shit, I ain't never do no social media. So for me stepping out like this, hey, this a big leap. With this 2025, we putting a lot of money into this Chevy. I'm trying to keep it going. I would have normally did all of this shit off camera. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and pull this car cover off of this jank, man. Let me show y'all what we done and where we at. Look at this shit. Everything solid fucking nice. Had to goddamn try this shit up just to get that jank off. But I did put fluid film and shit all over every fucking thing, so we're about to see how it look in a minute. This goddamn rust encapsulator, the Eastwood shit, man, I swear there's some good shit. I ain't sponsored by them or nothing, man, but hey, I've been standing by these products. I got every goddamn thing, bungee cord. I got to remove all these shits. I'm probably only gonna take one side off for real. I told y'all today, Friday, it's supposed to snow again on Sunday. So, and it's cold as fuck out here. So I doubt I goddamn get up under here and do too much today. I might just check shit over, spray some more fluid film, get back to doing some more research and ordering some parts for this motor, which I'm gonna take y'all up in there and show y'all what I got so far. Anyway. Alright, this shit good enough, man. That fucking wind picking up too. But I think the very first thing that I did, for real, YouTube, I went and started ordering all of these pieces. Ordered all new emblems. Ordered the new weather strip. Headlights, I got these new side markers. The actual headlights itself, the lenses, these bitches look fucking good. I'm just gonna take them bitches out, clean them up, polish them. I got new rocker wheel trim. The chrome strips at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and have them bitches re-chromed, polished up. I do got new side moldings. I ordered new door handles. Ordered new window sweeps. I still got to pull all of this shit off, so when I paint the car, make sure I get good coverage. I stripped these wheels down. These motherfuckers were rusted, man. They were through. I dumped them motherfuckers in vinegar. I had a big ass bucket and I soaked each wheel for about a week and a half in some vinegar. Got them motherfuckers down to metal and came back with that Eastwood. When I ordered me some brand new tires. You bitches still ain't seen a mile yet. What size is these? What the fuck? I put two 35/70s on this motherfucker 15s. Brand new. I got them motherfuckers from TireRack.com. And I started taking my interior and shit out, organizing all of this shit. I did bag and label everything. But I went ahead and took the carpet out, sanded the floors down to metal, painted them janks with some Eastwood Platinum. I still got a lot of work to do up in this jank. I did start mocking up my console, but I'm gonna go with a new approach. And I gotta go pick up my dashboard, man. I dropped my dashboard off to this interior shop for dude to wrap it for me. I just gotta go pay him the money for that shit, man, to pick it up and take these door panels and shit off. But yeah, all of my wires, my speaker wires, this is just what I ran for now. I got all of these from New Concept, power wire, ground wire. These speaker wires, RCA cables, whole 9, nice zip tie. I screwed everything down too. So shit, them bitches ain't going nowhere. Gonna be a fight to get them motherfuckers. Yeah, man, I ordered new speakers, 4x6s, 6x9s, components. Then I started moving on to my frame, man. When shit, I took every fucking thing off. Coated the frame in that Eastwood Platinum, rust encapsulator, and then a 2K chassis. Then I hit everything with like a matte clear coat. Not everything, but some shits, the frame was in a matte clear, for real. It may look a little shiny and shit right now, cause, excuse me, that's that fucking PB Blaster surface shield, man. I ain't go with the fluid film. This is all PB Blaster surface shield. It's a WD-40 in some places. But yeah, I painted that shit. Let me get up under this motherfucker. Snow and shit all on the ground, man. It's cold as a bitch. That bungee cords all in the way. Yeah. Oh yeah, hella bungee cords. I don't even know how good y'all can see up under here. Everything's done. Everything's coated. Surface shield. Let's see if I can get y'all a better look. Excuse my rope and my bungee cords and shit, man. It's holding down my tarp and my car cover. But y'all can see, man, this Eastwood, man, this shit was painted a minute ago. And that shit look brand new. Alright, the rest of my parts, man, for this rear end. Up under, hold on, let me get my shit together. Alright, this rear end, man, I went with the QA1 coilovers in the back. Upper and lower adjustable control arms. See if y'all can see that. Let me move past this. Brand new rotors from a Blazer. Brand new brake calipers. Brand new brake lines. I did not run the brake line back here on the axle yet, but I did run the brake line from back here behind this little fucking frame all the way up to the front to the master solenoid. We're gonna touch on that in a minute. And these are like little brackets that I ordered. I think I ordered these things from Summit. I got the hoses, I got the calipers, I got the brake lines. Shit, man, I just really got to get up under here and install them motherfuckers. This ground cold as a bitch though. A fuel filter and shit sitting up there. I got some 6AN vibrant fittings, PTFE lines. And that shit going into brand new gas tank. Let me see, hold on. Shit going into a brand new gas tank. Just painted the straps, put new bolts in. New fuel sending unit, fuel pump, whole nine. I did not paint behind this bumper or this frame shit up here behind this bumper. All that's gonna be a part of the body work. Just once I paint the car, I'm gonna pull the fucking bumpers and shit off. Shit. One that's so cold, I'm laying in a whole fucking shit. Yeah, where was I at? Oh, the front. Same thing in the front. New control arms, upper and lower. Went with the QA1 janks. I mean, shit, the move. But then the coilovers. I am not trying to get back on this fucking ground, but hold on. Ain't nothing right here in the front. Alright. There we go. All my steering links, brand new, Pro Forge, QE1 coilovers, move control arms. Where your ass come? Get out the way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Brand new master solenoid, painted the brake booster, painted the firewall. My fuel line and shit just sitting up there. All the rest of my brake lines and shit is ran. New proportional valve for 4-way disc brakes over there. I still got to screw in that fucking sub mount. I got the bolts for it. I just didn't screw the motherfucker in because I wanted to make sure that PB blaster got behind them bolts and shit. Yeah, we've been working, man. I still got a few small little things to do on this car. I did not set it down on the ground yet, so I can adjust my ride height. All that shit is coming. By the time I do that, it will be on video for the first time, so y'all get to see that shit with me. But yeah, still got to get the top done, painted, sunroof, whole 9 yards. But like I said, all that's gonna be a part of the bodywork process. Right now, I'm just getting the undercarriage done, suspension, frame, steering, all of that good shit, and prepping for this motor. The fuck is wrong with you, man? Let me show y'all what I got for the motor. I do got some new pieces for the Buick too, man. I ain't been sleeping on them. She got shit. Got valve covers and everything in the front seat. Got this little trim emblem. Another little side bumper shit on the other, for the other side. Just some regular old shit right now. Put some new wipers and shit, man. I got some speakers for this jank, man. The speakers I'm gonna put in this jank, it's the 6x9s and shit, man, that I put up in the I took out of my Chevy. Cause I'm going with some new janks in the Chevy, so the ones I took out of there going right up in here. I probably put like 112 or 15 in that motherfucker or something, man. Yeah. I don't know, man. We'll talk about all that shit later. All right, I've been calling around to machine shop, man, and a lot of them backed up right now. Claim they got people out on vacation and so much shit, man, and told me I could drop the motor off there and they'll get to it when they get to it, but, hey, man, you know, I ain't decided on what I wanted to do yet. Cause I got all of my pistons rearranged, 1, 2, 3, 4, whole 9, whatever the fuck they all labeled. And I've been ordering some new shit. What's up in here, man? I gotta, let me move all of this shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, this this shit part of my brake shit. Still got to put my pitman arm on and a bunch of other little bullshit. The wiper motor. Got fuck is this? This is okay, cam thrust plates and shit. Milling. I think it's an oil pump. Yeah, that's my oil pump. See which one I went with. I got some head bolts and shit, man. I went with the Chevy Performance head bolts. Yeah, I ain't buy no fucking ARP head bolts because I ain't spending no $300 for them motherfuckers. Chevy Performance jinx will be just fine. And I got a whole box of fucking rockers and shit, man. Going with the full roller trunnion upgrade rockers. Let me show you these shits real quick. Yeah, I didn't expect these motherfuckers already. Already went through them. They look good. Compared to the stock ones. Yeah. But yeah, we gonna keep adding parts, man. Shit, dude. I gotta get a lot more shit for real. But yeah, this shit gonna definitely be dropped off between shit, man, tomorrow and next week. We give them this, the heads, the whole 9 yards, man. But that's where we at with it, man. I still got more parts on the way. The engine brackets, water pump. I still ain't decided on my cam profile yet. I think I'm gonna go with a whole top end kit. I've been looking at a lot of different kits, man. I don't know which one I'm gonna order yet, whether it's gonna be some Holly shit, Fight Tech, or Asus or something. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the best bang for the buck for real. I told y'all this shit ain't getting no wild shit, man. She could be a nice ass daily driver, cruiser, sound good, ride good, feel good, you know, play good. But I just wanted to give y'all an update, man. Let y'all know where I've been. 'Cause I ain't post shit up in a month for real. So I've been working, getting through these holidays. Oh yeah, shit, man. I know it's January now, but Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Shit, and happy birthday too, man. Your boy just celebrated a birthday like 2 days ago. So another reason I ain't been doing too much. This New Year's should always be crazy for me, man. Expensive, be spending money, blowing the bag. But hey, we still working too though. So tune in. Once again, shout out to everybody who hit that subscribe button. I think at this time I'm up to like 440. On the way to 500. Appreciate y'all, man. Much love. Y'all tune in.